Your brain is not what you think it is. Most people see it as a computer, but it's far stranger and far more powerful than that. Inside your skull is a living universe sparking with electricity, firing over 100 trillion signals every single second, without ever asking for permission. And here's the part nobody tells you. Your brain doesn't see reality, it creates it, piece by piece, moment by moment, turning chaos into a story you can understand. Cut off a sense, and your brain rewrites the world, lose a memory, and it fills in the blanks with something close enough to keep you sane. It knows danger before you notice the fear. It knows heartbreak before you feel the pain. It sends warnings you don't understand until later. Every person you've ever loved lives inside these neural pathways. Every trauma you've buried is locked behind hidden doors. Every memory isn't a recording, but a reconstruction. Different every time you remember it. Your brain learns while you sleep. It heals while you dream. It protects you from truths too heavy to hold. It's carried you through every moment of your life, the ones you celebrate and the ones you never speak about. It kept you alive on days survival felt optional. Your brain isn't just alive, it's adapting, it's evolving, it's shaping your future before you even open your eyes. And through every fear, every doubt, every breakthrough, it never stops fighting to keep you here. Because your brain is not a machine,